Shakespeare plays. Comedy of Errors.
The Comedy of Errors is one of Shakespeare's early plays. It is his shortest and one of his most farcical comedies. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar adapted Shakespeare's play in his Bengali novel Baitranti by Lakh 1869.
Major characters. Antipholus of Syracuse. The twin brother of Antipholus of Ephesus and the son of Aegon, he has been traveling the world with his slave, Dromio of Syracuse, trying to find his long-lost brother and mother. Antipholus of Ephesus. He is a well-respected merchant in Ephesus and Adriana's husband. Dromio of Syracuse. He is the twin brother of Dromio of Ephesus. Adriana. Fierce and jealous woman. Luciana. Adriana's unmarried sister and the object of Antipholus of Syracuse's affections. Silenus. The Duke of Ephesus. Aegon. A Syracusan merchant, husband of the abbess, Amelia, and the father of the two Antiphili. He has been sentenced to death as the play begins. Angelo. A goldsmith in Syracuse and a friend to Antipholus of Ephesus. Themes. Family loyalties, persistence, identity and coincidence.
Summary. After both being separated from their twins in a shipwreck, Antipholus and his slave Dromio go to Ephesus to find them. The other set of twins lives in Ephesus, and the new arrivals cause a series of incidents of mistaken identity. At the end, the twins find each other and their parents and resolve all of the problems caused earlier.
Famous quotes. We came into the world like brother and brother. And now let's go hand in hand, not one before another. I to the world am like a drop of water that in the ocean seeks another drop.